sick and tired of this place I'm in. Too many hours in this basement.
Hello friends. Oh, and somebody's pulling up right next to me. Alright, that's my cue. I am on my way to my boyfriend's right now. He's at work right now, but I want to just do his laundry for him, so I'm going to go do that. What I really wanted to tell you guys is that I just got a haircut this morning. I'm just kind of in shock because I haven't had a haircut in 4 years. I don't get it trimmed regularly, so I have like 5 inches of split ends. As soon as I came in, she's like, let me guess what you want. And she was totally right. She said curtain bangs and long layers. And then it got me thinking, why is hair like a part of girls' identities? It really is if you think about it, you know? Whenever I get a haircut, I'm like so scared. And then afterwards you're like, who am I? Who is this person looking in the mirror? And then also I just feel like the people who do know me are like, oh, that's Grace. Like she has long hair. Okay, but anyways, a lot has been chopped off. So Vic has not seen my hair yet. He asked me not to send him a picture. He just wants to be surprised in person. So I think I'm gonna film his reaction when he walks through the door. I really hope he likes it. I don't know why. I'm so scared.
Looks good. What are you talking about? It's not short.
It's so short.
How?
You make this light inside me glow. You're the only one who knows me. Saturate me when I'm gray until all my colors show.
Good morning, happy Sunday. Before I do my makeup and hair, I'm going to put on my church outfit. Okay, I just put my outfit on. I'm not sure if I want to wear it. I just have a skirt and then this gray tank top on. I guess we'll just get ready, because honestly, whenever I put any outfit on without my hair and makeup done, I just feel like the outfit is the problem, but it's not. I think it looks good. I just think that I need for sure that Revlon blow dryer. Here's a tip that my mom showed me when I was little. If you want to see the back of your head, or like the back of your hair, take a mirror and then turn around like this, and then you can see the back. And you always use this, I mean, at least I do, to see if there's any bumps in the back that you need to straighten out. So I am not teaching Sunday school this morning. We kind of do this, at least while I'm in school. Every other weekend, I'll go in to teach. Oh, my camera's about to die. Okay, well, I'm gonna finish my makeup, which is so sad because this is like the best part. And then I'll check in with you guys later. So it's a little bit later now after church and after grocery shopping. I'm back at my boyfriend's place and I am cooking, meal prepping again. This week is gonna be a little different and a little fun. I'm doing chicken tacos with green salsa. Also, I can't wait to bake my chocolate chip cookies. They're just so fun to make and I just love baking so much. Oh yeah, I got my nails done yesterday. Look how pretty they are. I just got a little bow with a diamond, or with a gem, not a diamond, hello. But this week was spring break for me and I just took a week of rest. Carmela and I were planning to go up to Sedona, but it turns out it was cloudy all week, so that didn't really work out. But that is okay. We took just basically a week of rest. This summer, I'm so excited. I'm going to Nevada with my boyfriend because that's where he's from, and I'm pretty sure he's proposing. I'm not pretty sure, I know he is. Church was so good today. I usually find it pretty hard to focus just because I feel like I'm so relaxed in church that I just like want to sleep. If you're afraid of change, just rely on God and just shift your focus to God, because he is the one thing in this whole world who does not change. There's not one thing on this earth that stays the same forever. There's nothing on this earth that has existed forever except for God. And so it's a really comforting thought and fact. We are always afraid of change. We shouldn't be afraid of it because we know who's in control and we know who our God is. And while my pastor was talking about this, an image came to my mind where Jesus is walking on water and he tells Peter to walk on the ocean with him. Peter does. Peter walks on water with Jesus. The whole time Jesus is saying, keep your eyes on me. If you keep your eyes on me, you're gonna keep your faith. And if you don't, you will sink. And he takes his eyes off Jesus. He looks where he's standing and he sinks, just like Jesus said he would. That picture came to my mind because that is the exact illustration of what my pastor was talking about. Change, because when I thought of change, I thought of chaos and I thought of instability, like a wave, you know? And so I thought of the ocean and I was like, wait, that's already in the Bible. That's already a story. It was just super symbolic. Like when we are in times of chaos and everything around us is just changing and nothing is the same and everything is scary, like just keep your eyes on Jesus. Just keep your eyes on who he is and what his promise is to you. When you keep your eyes on Jesus, you're not gonna sink and you're not going to get consumed by the waves, by chaos, by the sadness that comes from change. Like 2 hours later, a lot of cleaning, a lot of dishes. I'm so tired. It's time to make the cookies, the best part. Well, good morning everybody. It is Monday now. That means going back to school. Just basically a running errands with me day. My favorite tea, London Fog. I forget the name of the company, but they're like pretty popular. And this one has lavender in it, so it is amazing. I did everything I needed to do earlier. Laundry, meal prepping, dishes, cleaning up, vacuuming, you know, just doing all that stuff. And then I need to get gas and also pick up Carmilla. I think we're going to stop by Sprouts because I feel like every time we go back to our dorm, we just get sick. So I used to be like a finger with makeup girly. I used to apply all of my products with my fingers because I just felt like that was the best it looked on my skin. But now I ordered a whole brush set off of Amazon and it came with this thing, like this little like holder too. It's so cute, it like spins. And also it came with a beauty blender and then like these mini ones. So I was re-watching some of the footage that I had from the other day. I just remember in my mind during the clip that I was watching, I thought that it was going on for like a long time, like 2 minutes. I thought this clip was gonna be. I watched it back and it turns out it was like maybe 30 seconds. I feel like in my mind, everything is so long, you know, pauses in conversations or movies or drives or anything. It just feels like I don't have the right perception of time, which is a really weird thing. I think it has something to do with me rushing everything. I feel like I am always trying to get to the next thing I'm doing, or like the next day, or like the next event that's coming up, or you know, the next trip I'm taking, or, you know, when school gets out or whatever. And I'm so focused on the end goal and I'm just not focused on the present time. It's like, it's just so exhausting. And I feel like that's why I am so stressed all the time for no reason. And, you know, like reading scripture especially, you know, Jesus says to not worry about tomorrow and not to worry about the food you're gonna eat, what clothes you're gonna wear, because God is going to provide that for you either way. And if God feeds the birds in the sky and, you know, gives the flowers sun to grow, then how more precious are you to God? Everything is good at this point, so just be okay with that. Today's gonna be a great day. It's almost 11. The day practically just started, even though I've been up since 7, which also makes the days 10 times longer. Like, if you feel like you are not getting enough out of your day, wake up earlier. I'm gonna get gas right now and maybe get a matcha. We'll see how Carmi's feeling. Stop, because I'm actually scared. I've never gotten gas alone before. My boyfriend would be so proud of me right now. All right, I'd rate the experience 10 out of 10. Like, nobody's even here, so that was like a lot of fun. Okay, I gotta go. People are waiting on me. Bye. Can I do a 16-ounce ice matcha with whole milk and sugar-free vanilla, please? Also, a 12-ounce iced matcha with whole milk and then almond flavoring. What are you studying? Christian studies. Thank you.
Wait, which one is what? They're like, this is Saved by Grace's friend? Hate.
I know. And just in person at school.
Yeah.
People were so freaking mean.
So mean. And then everywhere we go that like people know us, like the gym, everybody calls us church girls, the Lord's girls, but they say it like offensively. It's not like they're like, look at our Lord's girl. Like, no, they're like, Lord's girls, our church girls are here. Like, they say it mean. Maybe they don't mean it mean intentionally.
But that's okay, because there's nothing else we would want to be known for.
And that's what we tell them. We say that's the best nickname. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Please keep calling us that.
Yes, let everybody know in here. We are the Lord's girls.
Okay, trying because we went to Human Bean. We're trying our little espresso chocolates. I haven't drinking coffee in
Long time. What,
like
3 months?
3 months, I think. Like sweet cream foam.
Oh my gosh.
Mm.
Oh my gosh.
Yours is so good.
Yours is so good.
So I'm sure you guys heard, but almond matcha, vanilla matcha. Okay, so we finally decided on the Peace and Harmony one. It is peppermint, patchouli, orange, lavender, and basil. So like all of our favorite things. Patchouli and basil together are the craziest combo. Okay, we're headed back to campus now. Just kidding. You think we forgot about you? We didn't.
Mama, look at the fatty in the back.
Right arm over as you bend your knees. Then your left arm over. Make sure that you are drawing 5 more, 4, 3, 2.
You're not doing it. You're going to.
Come into a wide
That's what you're doing, Carmela. You know it.
out. Keeping your
After a long day of running errands and going to the gym, Pilates, laundry, eating dinner, gonna do some homework and plan out what I have to do tomorrow. But you know what makes it all better? And her. Yes.
Yeah, yeah. So sick and tired.